Morning. This is call number 2021-69715. In the interest of Aubrey Giselle Martinez, will all parties and witnesses please raise your right hands to be sworn? Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Petra Martinez. I'm the mother of Aubrey Giselle Martinez.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma for the state.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Fonum Dwayne Jefferson. Mr. Jefferson was personally served on November 8th, 2021 at 12:47 p.m. at 14015 Chelsea Hurst Lane in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, I would like to call Petra Martinez, the
Right.
mother. Ms.
Right.
Martinez, who is the father of your child?
Fanon Jefferson, or the Fanon Dwayne Jefferson.
And how do you know he is the father?
He was the only person that I was with at the time.
And did you and Mr. Jefferson also conduct a private genetic testing?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And he is confirmed through your private genetic testing that he is the father as well, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to name him as the biological father of your child, Fanon Dwayne Jefferson, as the biological father?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to establish that you and Mr. Jefferson are joint managing conservators of the child?
Yes, ma'am.
And who does the child live with?
Me, her mother.
And are you asking the court to allow you to maintain the child's primary residence in Harris and contiguous counties?
Yes, ma'am.
When was the last time Mr. Jefferson saw your child?
That was on her birthday party, May the 6th, I believe.
And are you asking the court to set visitation through a standard possession order?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you fine with pickup and drop off at your residence or the child's school?
Yes, that's fine.
And how is your child covered under health insurance?
Medicaid.
And are you agreeable to having the court order you to continue to carry that health insurance?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Jefferson reimburse that at $57 a month beginning August 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any problem paying half of uncovered health costs through what the insurance does not cover?
No, ma'am.
And do you know where Mr. Jefferson is employed?
No, ma'am.
Do you know where he works?
No, ma'am.
Do you know if he's incarcerated?
Not that I know of.
Okay. Do you know if he has any other children?
Not that I know of.
So are you asking the court to set current child support based on minimum wage in the amount of $217 beginning August 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And since your child has been born, has Mr. Jefferson contributed financially to help raise her?
No, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to order retroactive child support from October 22nd of 2017 until today?
Yes, ma'am.
And because we don't know his wages, you understand that back support will be based on minimum wage. The total amount, $12,586. Are you asking the court to enter a judgment against Mr. Jefferson in that amount?
Yes, please.
Are you asking the court to order that Mr. Jefferson pay that back support at $113 a month beginning August 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And if court costs are billed, do you want Mr. Jefferson to pay those?
Yes, ma'am.
And is there any reason we need to keep your address confidential?
No, ma'am.
Have you read and signed this order today?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe it's in the best interest of your daughter?
Most definitely.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will